So I'm Eric Murugneux. I'm the Vice President of Sales and Technical Support at Sensys Networks for all international markets. So Sensys Networks is a California-based company which pioneered 20 years ago the first wireless magnetometer to replace inductive loop for traffic-related applications. We are launching the third generation of our magnetometer, which is much easier to install, faster to remove, and also more durable. So it will be a great opportunity to introduce this product to the UK market. Magnetometer is an ideal replacement of inductive loops, especially for far-away detection. Obviously, it's saving a lot of cable and conduits. And unlike radar or video above-ground detection, we can still maintain an excellent detection accuracy because we don't have any occlusion. And for some application, and especially in traffic signal like Scoot and MOVA, we know that data accuracy is extremely important. So we don't want to make any compromise for this kind of application. Therefore, magnetometer is an ideal replacement of loops. This is the first time we exhibit at JCT. Also, we have been distributing our product for more than a decade on the UK market. We would like to engage with end users and all stakeholders involved with traffic signal in the UK, which is actually our main application for our sensor. So far we have been very hands-off on the UK market. We were only dealing with our local partners. This is the first time we really want to know more about the end user application. We would like to engage with our existing customers because, again, we have been selling this technology for more than a decade on this market. So we would like to better understand our customer needs and also provide technical support. We have now an office in the UK, in Stevenage, with some technical engineers ready to support for design, commissioning, or troubleshooting. Really looking forward to attend the different lectures. It's always very useful to see how, first of all, are the other detection technology are improving, and also the end user requirements to better understand them.